Hello everyone! Today we're doing this simple red lip makeup tutorial. It took me 30 minutes to apply while filming. I'm starting off with clean, moisturized skin and applying a primer all over my face. I will list all the products I used down in the description. Then I grabbed an eyebrow pencil and spoolie. I'm going to show the application to one side of my face and then I will do the other side off camera to save time. So I traced the bottom of my eyebrow and then filled in the sparse areas. Then used the spoolie to brush the hairs up and diffuse the pencil. Next, I grabbed some concealer. I'm between shades, so I mixed them. And applied it to my under eyes, lids, and anywhere I had redness or spots. I do my concealer before my foundation when using these products, but do foundation first if that works better for you. Then I took my foundation and a damp sponge and applied it all over my face, blending down my neck. After the foundation, I used some translucent setting powder and a big flat brush to set my eyes and T-zone really well. Then I grabbed a big fluffy brush and more translucent powder to set the rest of my face and neck. Then I grabbed some eyebrow gel to brush my hairs up and set them into place. And then applied a lip plumper to prep my lips, but you can use lip oil, lip chap, or a good moisturizer. Now I'm grabbing some bronzer and a small fluffy brush and applying it from the outer corner of my eye, sweeping it up towards my eyebrow. Then back across the lid slightly above the crease, leaving the center of the lid bare. Then I added a little bit under my lower lash line. I then took some highlighter and used my finger to apply it to the inner corner of my eyes and just under the tail of my eyebrows. I grabbed a soft black eyeliner pencil and used it to line my upper lash line. And this is totally optional, but I made a thin wing on the outer corner by following my lower lash line. Now mascara. I used a lash curler and then applied my mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Then it was time to bring some color back to my face, so I grabbed my bronzer again and a tapered fluffy brush and used it to contour just under my cheekbones, the sides of my forehead because it's large, and then under my chin and jawline. Now another optional step is nose contour with a small dense brush, and I do mine on the tip by adding bronzer to the sides and under the tip. And then the bridge with two parallel vertical lines down either side very close together. Then a tiny bit across the nose above the tip. Then I grabbed some light pink blush and a fluffy brush and applied it in a C shape from my brow bone to the apples of my cheeks, just above the bronzer. Then a little bit on my chin, under the tip of my nose, and on the bridge. Then the highlight again. With a small fluffy brush, I applied it to the tops of my cheekbones, on the tip and bridge of my nose with my finger, and above my upper lip. The next two steps are also optional. I applied setting spray all over my face, and then a magnetic eyeliner because I'm going to add lashes after. Then grab a tissue and wipe away all the product from your lips. It's time for the red. So I started with a red lip liner similar to the lipstick shade I'm using, and I slightly overdrew my top lip in the center and rounded out my Cupid's bow a little bit. Make sure to get the corners of your mouth. Then I grabbed two red liquid lipsticks. I found the first one to be a little bit too cool toned for me, so I layered over an orange red over top to warm it up. The last step is optional, and it is long, wispy eyelashes. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video, right over here. Thanks for watching!